Okay, here's another problem that came up quite a bit today, and it mainly deals with, oh, excuse me, sorry about that, mainly deals with vocabulary. So in this problem, let me get my pen back. Okay, in this problem, the vocabulary that was difficult was this partial products. Okay. Partial products just means the different parts to this answer. So 48 times 36, or excuse me, 37. We can solve this using an area model. That's what this is right here. And each one of these answers inside the area model is part of our final answer. So we basically use expanded form, meaning we break 48 into 40 plus 8, and we break 37 into 30 plus 7. Okay, and what I tell my students, but again, however is easiest for you to solve this, that's how I want you to do it. But what I tell my students is I just focus on the top first, and I look at the 40. And I need to multiply this 40 times the 30, and then times the 7. Okay? So I do 40 times 30, and again I can use mental math, meaning I can multiply 4 times 3, that's 12, add my 2 zeros, and I get 1,200. So this is partial product. This is part of my answer. So I've done that. This problem actually doesn't even need me to solve the problem. I just need to break it up into its partial products. So I did 40 times 30. Now I do the 40 times 7. And again, I can use mental math. 4 times 7 is 28. And then there's 1 0 to add here. So 280. That's part of my product. So that's why it's a partial product. Okay, and then I tell my students next you go to the 8, and the 8 has to do the same thing. It has to be multiplied times the 30, and then the 8 has to be multiplied times the 7. So 8 times 30, I can use mental math. 3 times 8, 24. Add my 1 0, because there's no 0 here, just 1 0 to add, so that's 240. And then finally 8 times 7. 8 times 7, 56, and those are my 4 partial products. So when it says write the partial products, that's all we needed to do. So we're done with this problem. We don't even need to solve it and find the actual answer. All they wanted was the partial products, so we are done with this one. These are partial products, the part of the number that makes your final answer.